Here we are unlocking a Samsung Note 20 using Cellunlocker.net. Put that into your browser, go to it, brings you to the home page. Go ahead, you click on what you want to unlock, which mine's a Samsung, so I want to unlock a Samsung. You click, select your model, which is going to be a Note 20. There you go. Your network, which mine is Xfinity in the USA. Phone IMEI. I already copied and pasted it, but in case you don't know how to do it, it does tell you here. You click on the little question mark. It is star pound. Oh god. Oops. Star pound 06. I believe a pound. And it pops all up, all that stuff. So there you go. That's how you can find your IMEI to enter into your deal, or you can go to your settings and about phone. So there it is. Check unlock now. Goes pretty quick. There's all the information on my phone. It does say that unable to unlock, 100% refund. That's always nice. Make sure your phone's not stolen. So go ahead and enter your name, your last name, email, phone number, agrees, and you'll go to a buy now, which brings up where you put all your information for your card. And then you end up getting an email once you pay. It says thanks for your order. It could take this long. You can check on your statuses. As you see here, you can go. Let's see there. Let me get that to focus in for you. There you go. See, clicking here, you can check on your status. That's always nice. So after that, you wait. I don't know, it says 6 to 48 hours, but I got mine in about, I don't know, 4 to 6, I guess. After that, you can just go to this email that comes in. It says, hey, we got your orders now complete. Here's the code, and this is the code. It's right here, his numbers, and the instructions. So you click on there for the instructions. How to unlock your phone. So again, to begin your unlocking, you go down to your type of phone. Mine's Samsung. These are specific instructions on how to unlock your device. Requirements. Foreign SIM card from another carrier, which I have here. It's not from Xfinity, somewhere else. Which you may also need a poker to get through your SIM card slot. Codes come in different formats. And then there's this one. That's the one that I got mine in. Alright, so the instructions to input Samsung unlock code. Power on your Samsung. Done. Oh, I have to power it on with, it says with the SIM card in it. So obviously, just go ahead and pop it out. Which, this one is way up here. Maybe if I can get it out. Oh, awesome. Sometimes these things are a little bit of a pain, apparently. Okay, and got it figured out here. Pop it out. Oh, that's a pain. And you got your little SIM card dealio. Make sure you put it in the correct way. Should be pretty easy to tell due to the fact that it is formed that way. But apparently, it's not as easy as it looks. There we go. Maybe it is as easy as it looks. but not for me. Oh my goodness. All right. So I think that's it. One question to make sure. It does go in that open spot, correct? Okay. I had to ask my wife. This is her phone, actually. So let's go ahead and take it back. Actually, put it back in there correctly. Okay. All right. Oh, and there it goes. It's letting me know the SIM card is now working. It says enter network unlock code. Well, that's good because it says over here in our instructions, if your phone prompts for a network unlock PIN, use the NCK code. So the NCK for me is going to be, oh, 1 second, let me do this. Open Chrome, there we go. Go back over here. The NCK, as you see here, has NCK. So we're going to enter that code here. And it says 02908 5820 7069168. All right, now we're going to press unlock. Verifying code. And it said network unlock. As you see, look at that. Everything's working now. So we're going to go back to the instructions. And it says, if your phone prompts for a network unlock, use the NCK code. If your phone prompts for it, then use the other ones. So, instructions to input Samsung unlock code, most models. Power on your Samsung device with the phone. And that there is how you unlock a phone for Samsung Note 20 through Cellunlocker.com. So now just so you all know that it works. Done. Let's go ahead and call a number, 868-2751. Oh, it says new mobile network available. Restart to continue your service provider. So first we're going to go and do that. So let's restart. There it goes, doing its thing. As you see, easy peasy, not too bad. One code, and that's it. This phone takes a little bit for the restartation. As you see, it still says Xfinity Mobile, but that's just because that's where the phone came from. It takes a long time for it to open up, but I just want to show you all that that's how it works. And just so you know, it also has a video guide, which is kind of what I'm doing here, but it's pretty easy. All right, there's the phone, and oh, there comes all the notifications she's been missing. That's the right code. There it is. Okay, and as you see, there's now bars. Let me take the Wi-Fi off. No Wi-Fi. All right, let's just go to the settings here. I don't know what the heck's going on. So here we go. Come on, this phone's acting ridiculous right now.
It just came on.
So these, babe. So there we go. All right, so I shut the Wi-Fi off, and I'm looking for her mobile data, which is right here. Turn it on. Go to it. As you see now, look at that 5G capability. Mobile data is on. So now we're going to do the phone call. Bam. Let's see if it works. It's calling Boo Boo Bear. It's ringing, and so is that. As you see, I can answer, and there's phone calls. So that there, Cellunlocker.net, unlocking a Samsung Note 20. Not too bad.